In the quiet of a stormy night, two friends sat pondering the mysteries of nature. "Why does lightning strike?" one asked, eyes reflecting the flickering sky. "Perhaps," the other mused, "it's nature's way of nurturing life, turning air into food for the earth." As the storm raged, they realized lightning's hidden gift: nitrogen for plants, a silent promise of growth. "Isn't it like life?" the first friend wondered aloud. "Challenges strike, but they often bring unseen blessings." The storm passed, leaving them with a newfound appreciation for nature's wisdom.